Hello, this is Brian Casey of the Imaging Wire. We are here at ECR 2026, and we are here in the booth of Quibim. And we're here with David Bazaga and Ana Jiménez. Thank you both for being with us.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you very much, Brian.
So Quibim does prostate AI software, and David, can you tell us a little bit about the company's technology and solutions?
Yeah, absolutely. So Quibim stands for Quantitative Imaging Biomarkers in Medicine. And essentially what we do is we get imaging data and we transform that into actionable predictions. The way we do that is through the use of artificial intelligence to detect, to quantify, and to predict clinically relevant outcomes. So we do that with QP Prostate, as you mentioned. That is our solution for the detection of prostate cancer. But we've also got another solution for brain MRI analysis for quantification of volumetry and white matter hyperintensities. And we've also got another product for QP liver, which is quantification of fat and iron in the liver, also using liver MRI.
All right, perfect. Well, it's really an interesting area because there's been a lot of discussion of making prostate screening a more common tool, but we need to be more precise with it, and I think AI is something that's going to enable us to do that. Now, we talked a little bit at RSNA. Can you update us on what Quibim's been up to since RSNA?
Yeah, absolutely. So we've been busy since RSNA 2025. We've developed a new prostate ecosystem, so moving simply beyond the lesion detection and characterization to having a full end-to-end workflow platform where fusion biopsy planning, focal therapy planning, as well as biopsy data collection can be ingested in a single platform. So that's something that we're very excited to be announcing here. We've also been very busy working on the research and development side of things for future products that are not yet on the market, but we've been making significant progress in the breast MRI space for lesion detection as well. And we obviously know that we cannot do things alone, so we've been also strengthening our commercial and distribution network partnerships. So we are the official partner for prostate for ADOC, as well as for Quibim. So that's been the main highlights since RSNA.
All right, very good. Now, here at ECR, such an important meeting for new technology, science, and business. What are some of your ECR highlights at Quibim?
So, as I mentioned, definitely highlighting our end-to-end prostate workflow management platform, where we integrate the lesion detection with fusion biopsy and focal therapy planning. That's definitely the highlight of ECR for us this year.
All right, very good. Now, science is also really important, and I understand that there's a number of scientific presentations being made with Quibim technology. Ana, can you talk to that a little bit?
Yeah, absolutely. So one of the main presentations that we are going to present this year at ECR is what we have been doing with regards to prostate MRI as well. That is in order to try to go beyond the prostate gland, so starting looking to other areas as well, for example, the neurovascular bundles. So we have developed a solution for the segmentation of the neurovascular bundles in order to predict the risk of invasion and therefore the risk of metastasis in the future of prostate cancer patients. So with this AI solution, we can stratify patients on risk, and also we have seen that this area affects as well the prediction of biochemical recurrence in prostate cancer patients.
Oh, wow. That's super interesting. Now, I also understand that Quibim has kind of entered the life sciences field. Can you talk a little bit about that, Ana?
Oh, absolutely. So we are more involved in different areas of the patient pathway. So apart from diagnostic AI, we are also developing research on the predictive and prognostic AI, so developing solutions in order to predict response to treatment, stratify patients according to the risk of developing a metastasis, for example. So we are developing solutions across different cancer types, so lung cancer, breast cancer, prostate cancer as well, in order to develop AI algorithms and using not only imaging but also clinical data, so going towards the multimodal approaches in order to identify patients that can benefit for treatments as soon as possible.
Awesome, that's great. Well, David, what else can we look forward to seeing from Quibim in 2026?
So you can definitely expect continued research and development in new therapeutic areas, as we've mentioned. You can also expect significant new commercial announcements that will be made public very, very soon. So stay tuned for that. And then on the life sciences and research development, Anna, do you want to highlight something?
Absolutely. We are also doing a lot of research in new technology, for example, in generative AI, in order to identify new technologies that we can use in order to enhance the performance of our algorithms, and also in foundation models, no? In order as well to develop this kind of big models in order to improve the solutions that we are going to develop in the future.
All right, perfect. Well, David Bazaga and Ana Jiménez of Quibim, thanks so much for being with us.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you very much, Brian.
Signing off from ECR 2026, my name is Brian Casey.